angle I plus angle E was equal to angle A plus delta. Angle delta was equal to angle 1 plus angle 2, and angle A was equal to R1 plus R2. So I plus E is equal to A plus delta. Variation of angle of deviation with angle of incidence, first decreases, then increases, and when angle of deviation is minimum, then there were three conditions that were satisfied. Number one, I was equal to E. Number two, R1 equal to R2. Number three, ray passes symmetrically through the prism. That is, this face and this ray are parallel to each other. And the refractive index of the prism is given by sine of A plus delta m by 2 upon sine of A by 2. If prism is short angled prism, then delta was equal to A into mu minus 1. Cauchy's equation depicted how refractive index of a prism glass changes with wavelength. क्या था formula? A plus B by lambda square. More wavelength means less refractive index. Red color has got highest wavelength, so least value of mu. Least mu means delta is minimum, so red color bends least, violet most. That leads to dispersion of light. Dispersive power. Dispersive power was given as angular dispersion, that is this angle phi, which was equal to delta violet minus delta red, but on substituting that relation you get mu violet minus mu red. Divide by deviation of mean color, that is yellow color. So that is equal to A into mu of yellow minus 1. A there and A here, they get cancelled. So dispersive power was independent of angle of prism. It is a property of medium only. And lastly, we had a relation for scattering of light by air molecules. Rayleigh's scattering formula. Intensity of scattered light varies inversely as fourth power of lambda. याद आया? तो red color is least scattered, इसलिए danger signal is red. Morning time sun का color red, and so on. चलिए question. A monochromatic light is incident on an equilateral prism at certain angle of incidence, and it suffers minimum deviation. Index of the prism is √3, then angle of incidence is. Easy question. When prism is set into minimum deviation, I is equal to E, R1 equal to R2, right? But R1 plus R2 was A, that is each angle is equal to A by 2, that is 30 degree. Now sine of I, you have to find. Sine I by sine R equal to mu of prism. So sine I equal to √3 times sine 30 is 1 by 2. So I is equal to 60 degrees, right? A new question this year. The variation of refractive index of a glass, ground glass, of thin prism means delta equal to A into mu minus 1, varies with wavelength of the incident light as shown. Wavelength increases, mu decreases. Question is, which of the following is the correct one if dm is angle of minimum deviation versus wavelength is plotted? So as wavelength keeps increasing, refractive index keeps decreasing, and angle of deviation delta was mu minus 1 into A, right? A is constant, 1 is constant. So if mu is decreasing, that means angle of deviation would also decrease. So which of the graphs shows decrease? 1, 2, 3, 4. 2. So ये आपका correct सही choice है. Formula delta equals A into mu minus 1. So ये सही ग्राफ है.